Why not?
Just look at him.
Bring it in, Rocky.
All right, mate.
Is Wild Mario working on his own car. Oh, I've never really seen this before. We're gonna go check it out. We're gonna go move in for a closer look.
Be careful, mate.
Be careful. If he hears you, he might get skittish and run away.
You don't want to startle him.
Would you look at this blogger? It's a big one.
Yeah, I know that I'm the shit. Yeah, I know she was your bitch. Yeah, it's something about the wrist. Yeah, we driving fast as shit. Don't ever think about passing me. Always move with a sack on me. I always smell like gas on me.
So I think today we are going to... What are we doing, Max?
Heater core and USB traction control button.
Oh, the traction control button on this Gen 1. Gen 1, right?
Yeah.
Gen 1 GLI. So,
There's a heater core posting on YouTube, but the dude took off a bunch of pointless stuff, so I'll show you guys a
this bitch on super zoom. How you unzoom it? Am I unzooming? What am I doing?
fucking dude.
Oh, what? It was all the way zoomed out.
Nice.
Damn, that's crazy that you don't have to take apart the whole dash.
Yeah.
You said you've done this before?
Yeah.
What the
Did you
hell?
do it right the first time?
No, so I didn't completely go through it because I wanted to do these, but you have to take out the dash for the tubes, the inlet and outlets.
Wait, so how do you do it then? So what?
So I'm replacing just the core itself. I'm not.
So you
gonna
can take this part off?
Yeah, these come off and then the tubes come off. And then
That's
obviously
tight.
the tubes that are already in there.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, take this out, replace it, and then it'll be done.
Yo, what did I do? Oh, I was sleeping. So Max is just gonna pull these clips right here then. And it's tight. Oh, that autofocus though. I gotta get on the real life shit.
Food shopping.
Food shopping. Look at this fucking guy right here.
Is that a black horse?
Pendejo.
Hey, so.
Alright. So you take that T20 bolt off this kick panel here, and then it just slides out. And heater core is right
It's custom light.
here. Alright, heater core. What the fuck is wrong with this thing?
All of our lights are a piece of shit.
Oh, it has
Where's
a
my
sensor.
bar?
It has a sensor on there.
Where's the sensor?
That's that big. You don't blow on it, bitch. It's not a fucking dick. It's that army training right there.
Watch this shit go off. Alright, heater core's right here. Here's the two tubes that were shown in the beginning of the video. Disconnect these tubes. Out pops the heater core like a cartridge.
That's pretty tight. Dude, that's crazy. It knew that I like brought it up to my face.
What is that, a Sony?
Yeah, Sony A6000. It's Denise's camera. She'll kill me if I fuck it up.
Alright, so right now, I'm taking off the foot heater port.
Oh, yeah.
So this has to come out
The
for
heater
clearance. And then I move up to the actuator, I believe. It's what opens the vent for... Yeah, I believe it just opens the vents. And it worked last time. Like I said, I didn't fucking go completely through
So
with it.
here's the first one. So that's a 3,
It
4,
might be.
5.
It looks like it's... Again, I didn't replace it because I was trying to replace tubes, but for the tubes, like I said, the inlet and outlet, you do have to take off the dash.
Yeah, that's not fun. We did it in Mario's Mark IV. Before we were like into like for real filming for YouTube. Yeah, this is a pretty tight angle. And then once you pull that stuff off, it's good to just pull the clip off. Or the clips off, and then it'll slide out.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll leak a little bit of coolant, but it's not a whole lot.
But we'll check back in when we get to the point where we're going to pull the heater core out.
Do you have a needle nose?
Yep. Oh, I can zoom. I forgot. Damn. Feel official as fuck.
Alright, so if you want to like
I see it perfectly.
Okay. Yeah, basically we took out these four.
Get further.
There's 4 of these holding on the tray to cover the heater core. Took all 4 of those out. Disconnected the in and the out aluminum lines. We're gonna leave those in there. And then next is just to actually pull out the aluminum lines from the grommets and then take the black cover off. Alright, it's gonna leak a little bit. I'm gonna open up the cap.
It's gonna leak more that way.
Yeah, but I mean, all of it's gonna, well, I guess, slower the better. Alright, here we go. Alright.
Slightly overshot that.
Car's gonna smell like coolant, but that's cool. Still pouring.
I would say just keep moving. It's just gonna keep dumping. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So when you got that other bracket off with the 3mm Allen key, did you actually get it off of the pipe? Because I know when I took it off on the other pipe over there, it didn't want to let the pipe go. Like I had to take it all the way off. Like I had to slide it up the other pipe.
Yeah, I took the bolt completely off the bracket, and then you just
widen the bracket.
Spread it out and open it. Go. See that shit?
No, not yet.
You see how it's pouring? Like all pumped? Oh, there's like a big goo pile just at the very end.
Damn. This is why we're changing it. I mean, it looks pretty clean from this side. Like, I don't see any like gooey shit in there. So it's probably like just residual.
From the bottom of the radiator?
No, this shit's gooey as fuck, dude. Come look at the camera. Oh yeah, here you go.
Huh?
Yeah, come look before I lose the focus again. I'm not very good at using this camera yet. Dude, this shit's nasty. It's just gonna happen again. You see that shit?
Fuck. So how do you clean that shit out?
I have no idea. Other than like flushing the whole system. So it's been a little bit since we checked in. We've hit a snag. The lines are like really gunked up. You saw it in that clip. But we're trying to flush it as best as we can without any like high pressured stuff or anything like that. But we're gonna just go ahead and swap the heater cores now and go from there, because at this point it kind of looks like the whole dash needs to come out so we can get the lines out and all that. That'll be up to Max whether or not he wants to do it.
Here's the cover for the heater core itself. Careful taking out the lines because you can just rip these gaskets, as you can see. The gasket.
Oh damn, that's cool.
So it gives a good seal.
Shit like Tiffany green or Tiffany blue.
All right. Minty.
That you should be able to see through that. That's the way that works.
So where's all the gunked up shit?
Inside. So the way these work, right?
That shit's heavy as fuck compared to I mean, it's wet, but
No, it's because it's got shit in it. So the way this works, hold this one, is these fins allow air to go through, and these little things right here is actually what travels the coolant across.
huh. So those things are probably clogged. I have AC, I just don't have heat.
Yeah. Look at that shit, dude. Oh, fuck.
There's doo-doo.
Can you? Is it focusing?
Yeah.
Let's get the light on it. Better lighting. Dude, that shit is solid.
I feel like
There,
it
it's
is.
whatever the fuck I'm trying to say right now. You're gonna turn it off.
How do you zoom?
This.
Ah. Yeah, there you go. Oh.
Anybody order peanut butter? Some Reese's peanut butter. That shit's nasty.
Yeah, let's put it through the water hose.
Oh, fruit. I don't want to stick it in there first in case I miss or something and it sprays back at us. Oh, dude, that shit doesn't even want to flow out of there.
Wow.
Dude, that's crazy. Alright, let's try it from this way. I feel fucking stupid right now. Alright. Dude, it just fills up and backs up. It doesn't even make it to the other side. Look.
Jesus.
That's all the water that's making it in there. Look. That's it. Dude, this shit is completely fucking jacked.
That one fucking clunk of shit just stuck in there
It's
bad.
probably more than that. It's probably the whole side. Dude, it literally looks like fucking peanut butter.
God dang. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh my god. I fucking leaned up against this.
Oh, dude, it's like clay. It's hard as fuck. I thought it was like soft, like mud. Wow. It's like clay. So we buttoned everything back up in the engine bay. We're gonna throw the new heater core in.
I'll just leave it up. The cap?
The cap is in my pocket.
Okay.
We're gonna throw the new core in, put the lines back on, then put some new coolant in it and some water.
Like every 6,000 miles or some shit like that.
What you got there, Max?
I got some heat. I'm gonna be warm.
You're gonna be worm.
Oh shit, hold up.
I guess that's it for this one.
Got the USB switch, but I'm fucking hungry.
I'm hungry too.
I don't know. Well, that's it for today. Fuck it. Got the heat in.
Fuck it.
Got the heat, and that's all that matters.